you what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get...
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Guess what? Do you see it's dark outside? It is 4:10 a.m. And yes, I'm up bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Do you know why? Because I'm going fishing. I love to go fishing. Love to go fishing. And so we're going with a friend from church who is like super good at catfishing. So we are going catfishing. Now, I'm not doing that thing where you stick your hand down in the water and, you get down in the water and stick your hand in the holes. No, I'm not doing that. Noodling or whatever they call it. No, we're actually fishing with the rod and reel. And so I'm ready, all but my shoes, socks and shoes. I've got to pack the snacks. I got to pack, I'm taking some bacon, I'm taking some pork belly, and I'm taking some nabs. Do you know what nabs are? Nabs are the like little orange crackers, the squares, the Lance crackers with the peanut butter in the middle. And so I bought a variety pack. They have like the orange crackers with the peanut butter. They have the round ones with the peanut butter. And then they have the cheese on wheat thing or something like that. Some kind of cheese thing. So I'm going to pack those up. I got to get my socks and shoes on. But the most important thing we're waiting on is the coffee. Because this girl's got to get woke up. And so yeah, I'm so excited about this. So, all right, I will see you guys in just a little bit out on the water. Okay, everybody, we're here. The boat has been launched. I had to run into this bathroom and it was terrible. It was not clean at all. And he warned me, he said, those bathrooms are not clean, but I thought I better go before. So anyway, all right, we're fixing to get in. It's gonna be a fun day. Look, I have never been out in the water with it being this dark ever. So this should be interesting. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love to fish.
450,000? Yeah. Here we are. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning, 6:30. We've made it to the lake. Mr. Jeff is already doing some cut bait for the catfish on the fish finder. We've just maybe seen a couple catfish here, so he's marked this place several times before where he's caught fish here, so we've just showed up. What he's doing is cutting the heads off here, cutting them into strips, kind of cutting the back fins off, and getting them where they're palatable for the catfish. So there's an art to what he's doing. Everybody has different techniques. Different fishermen, they do different things, and so today we're going to see how this is going to roll. So anyway, we'll bring you back here shortly. Bait is cut up. Rods are going out. I asked Jeff a while ago, so how many rods you put out? He said, I put out about 12. So he likes to increase his odds. So here we go. You got about a 1 inch by 1 inch or 1.5 by 1.5 inch of cut bait on each reel. There is a specific strategy to how he casts and where he casts and where he puts out at. So isn't that, look at the horizon. See that sun coming up on the horizon? Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? Very calm. The lake is calm. Nobody's out here. What do you think, Mom?
I'm excited.
She's excited. So you can see some of the houses over there as the morning is dawning. And just a beautiful, fabulous day. Temperature 62 degrees out here right now. Water temperature is about 78 degrees. And it's just an absolute gorgeous day for what we're doing. So action's gonna happen here pretty soon.
We're all set up. The lines are in the water, and now we wait.
All right. There's a picture of the, we're 33.8 feet deep. So here we go. Hey, did you warm the bait in your mouth before you put it out?
Mm-mm. It wasn't worms.
It
I didn't
wasn't
have to warm them.
That's a tongue twister, ain't it? Warm your bait.
Warm your worms.
Yeah. All right, guys, here we go. First fish of the day is on. It's about 6:45. The farming pastor's wife is reeling.
All right, let me get up here beside you.
All right, let's see what we got.
Wind down to it, wind down, take you right down.
She's winding down. I don't think it's a huge one,
No, it's not huge. It's an easy size.
but it's a good. Oh, it's probably.
You don't want to eat.
Biggest one I've ever caught.
It's probably. I'm gonna say probably a 8-pounder, 6-pounder.
Come right.
Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah.
Right, just step down. Okay, I'm gonna
Here we go.
put the lines in on here. I'm gonna get him out.
Got tangled up in another line here, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. Mr. Jeff's in action right here.
And he's biting me. You hand me that
He needs his
pliers.
gloves. No, pliers right there.
Pliers,
Back.
right here.
In the hole,
I
right
don't
there.
see
There
them.
you go, right there.
There you go.
Need some pliers.
Open your mouth.
Getting him fixed up right there. All right, first fish for the day. She's excited.
Let's get this stuff untangled here.
Somebody said yesterday they couldn't imagine Leslie fishing,
know, they
but
don't.
we do. We used to do it a lot. Twice a year. Twice a year.
Done it recently.
All right, here we go. Twice a year we go down to the coast and do a little pier fishing. We always do a little pond fishing. All right, here we go. Mr. Jeff's gonna lift it out of the net. See what it looks like.
You hand me them fish grips, Leslie. Just undo them like a pair of vice grips. From the bottom. There you go. Pull them out.
He uses
Out,
these
the other way.
Oh.
There you go.
these fish grips. You reach in the fish's mouth. That way you don't get horned by any of the fins. And that's called a little flathead, Jeff. For
Oh, this is a blue.
the blue, little blue. Okay, all right, here we go.
There you
All right,
go.
Miss Les, there you go. Show them what you got, baby doll. You excited?
Yes.
All right.
Are we gonna eat it?
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
That's up to y'all.
All right, here we go.
Look,
That's the kind of.
Bryant caught him one.
You need to take a picture of that.
What do you think?
I think I'm winning.
Look, he wasted his turn on that.
That's right. Look, can't even hold him.
Listen, girl. What them pliers, girl?
He's talking to you. No sooner than I got that out of my mouth, sometimes you catch a catfish on the bait rod.
It's a humdinger.
It's, yep, what, half pound?
And wait,
No.
I don't know if my scale would go that low.
No, we ain't. All right, we got another fish on. It's rolling. Little bigger, I think, than the last one. Here we go. I'm gonna say that's more like a 12-pounder.
Do I need to step?
You step down.
All right, here we go.
He's 15-ish, 14-ish.
Mr. Cole is guessing 15-ish. Look at there.
Daddy, you should have got him.
No, look at there. That's perfect right there, bud. All right, we're gonna get him untangled, get him out ready, get him weighed, and we'll bring you right back. She's tired.
Sideways, just like. There you go.
All right,
Smile.
Jeff is getting her picture.
All right.
And here it is, 15, what's say, 15.8?
15-8.
All right, so
You're going to have to take it.
Mr. Jeff has put us on some fish. Here we go.
It's a pretty good sized brim on there. You feel pretty deep.
It's like
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
All right, life happens. All right, she's fighting another one.
Get on the inside of
Don't know exactly what she's got here, but she is getting her workout. Oh yeah. Nice flathead. Here we go.
Slow down, slow down. There you go.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna say about another 15 pounder. Maybe a little bigger. Maybe about.
There you go. There's your flathead.
Bigger.
I'm gonna say this right here is 19 pounds. I'm gonna guess.
We're guessing.
Oh, look at
Upper
that.
teens.
Upper teens, Jeff says.
In the head, didn't I?
No, you're fine.
Upper teens. Hey. Oh man. How'd it feel, Mom?
Whew, that was good. That was good.
That means she's tired.
No, I did it.
She did it. All right, here we go. Let's weigh it. All right, we've just weighed it. What it weighs, sweetheart?
19.
19 pounds. Ain't it a beaut? Jeff's gonna take a picture right here. Take a picture, Jeff. All right, here she goes. She's gonna let him loose. Let him fly. Go back to the bottom. There you go.
All right. Open them up and turn them sideways.
There you go.
There we go.
Take it off.
There we go.
Now to the next
Good
one.
deal.
Okay, guys, they're reeling in all the lines. We're going to move to another area. And so that's what they're doing. We're getting ready to set up somewhere else. Bryant's pulling the anchor in, and so is Mr. Jeff up here.
Finally, I get to pull something in.
Put some weight on it. That's the biggest of the day. You good, you good.
She's got another fish on.
With that mentality. But it's like,
Coming together good.
Oh, not as good as I thought.
Another
He's
eater.
Well,
a good one. Wait a minute, he is
we're
good.
catfishing. Leslie just caught a catfish.
That's the blue, right?
No, you good.
Oh, I got your
No.
You're
head
good.
again. All right, everyone. The day has turned out absolutely glorious and beautiful. And we are calling it quits for today. Bryant caught him a half pounder. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know how much it weighed.
Somewhere thereabouts.
Mine was 19, my biggest one. And Jeff, he just facilitated. He didn't catch anything. He didn't even try. He just helped us. And so we're just bringing all the lines in, getting ready to head back to the house. And then Jeff's going to show Bryant what to do to the catfish that we saved. So, but isn't this beautiful through here? We've seen eagles, we've seen osprey, however you pronounce it. It's just magnificent. We've had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And we actually lost count. We can't decide if it was 3 blue and 1 flathead or 4 blue and 1 flathead catfish. But either way, it was a bunch of catfish and I am tickled pink.
There you go. 58 degrees. You know that, right?
58 degrees.
That's what water gram temperature is.
Take that little middle
All right.
streak out.
There's a little red streak in the center of these fillets. I guess you call them fillets.
Yeah, it's kind of like fillets, yeah.
Okay.
You want them as white as you can get them.
You want nuggets about like that?
That'll
Yeah,
work.
they're fine.
That's what me and Joe usually does.
Yum.
I'm gonna cut that gray inside out, the little skin piece.
Took us fishing and fixing our meat. Now we just got to get into the house to cook it.
Tell Joe for that.
Can you do this next time?
I can do it. I can do it.
And why did we say that you would have to be the one cleaning it?
I don't recall. Because she said if she caught them, the least I could do is clean them.
Okay, everybody, we are headed home. We just left our friend Jeff, and his wife's name is Joe. We just left their house. He fixed our fish up for us, put them in a bag.
In the cooler.
And they are ready to be cooked, which we'll probably cook tomorrow night. But, oh my goodness, this was probably the best day I have had in a really, really long time. It was so much fun. He thought the fishing was slow, but I can't imagine it being any more. It couldn't have gotten any better. I mean, as far as my excitement and thrill of catching those fish. So I had an amazing day. My sweet husband gave up his turn for me to bring in the fish. And so it's just a sweet, wonderful day. And so I'll show you the fish when we get home. And I'll say goodbye, and then I'm taking a nap. Are you taking a nap?
No.
No. He's gonna go mow hay. The last cutting of the year. Yay! Okay, I'll see you when we get home. Well, hello everyone. It is the next day after our fishing trip. And let me just tell you, I am still just giddy. Absolutely giddy over catching those fish. I had the best time ever. I'm already like ready to go back, do it again. So much fun. So anyway, today I'm making up for, this is the next day. So today I am making up for taking yesterday off, and I am cleaning. I have piles and piles and piles and piles of laundry that I'm working on, and I just got back from the grocery store, so that Thursday's video, you get to see me fry up the fish I caught, and we're going to eat it and enjoy it. So I've got to put those groceries away. So I'm actually going to end today's video right here. I'll see you back Thursday, and we're going to fry this fish up. I'm actually going to do two batters. I'm going to do the house autry, and which is like a traditional Southern type. And then I'm also going to do just what I've always done. Just flour, cornmeal, salt, pepper, some Old Bay or seasoning salt or whatever, just to make yourself batter and a store-bought. So we're gonna kind of do two and see what we think. So, all right, I'm gonna put these groceries away, and I'm gonna get this video finished, edited, and out to you guys, and we will see you back Thursday. Remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Come back and you'll see me fry catfish on Thursday. Bye, y'all. I appreciate you so much.